How's it guys? Welcome back to the Capestance vlog, and today we're introducing Capestance Plumstead, and we've been running it since April 2024, and I'm in partnership here with a good friend of mine, Nadir, from Capestance. We had a rough period obviously through the winter, but it's slowly picking up. We focused on quality and ensuring that customer service is priority to try and level it up from above the average car wash. But I'm going to take you guys through, show you guys around. So over here, this is the drying area. So we have 3 bays here, and then we have we made 1 bay for the staff vehicle and for clients to chill. Because over here, it's a little bit not so tidy. And then here, we're into the washway. We painted the walls in April, but they didn't have tile primer when they painted it, so this is the current situation. We fitted lights to make it a bit more visible when you're washing the car, to make sure all the dirt is gone. And I'm going to give you a little rundown on our procedure. So first, start with the wheels, the most dirtiest part on the vehicle. Then after that, rinse down the vehicle, and then after the rinse, get it foamed up, and then start the wash procedure using the 2-bucket method. With the 1 bucket. After the vehicle is rinsed off after the wash, comes outside. To get dried. You drop the cloth, but he knows once the cloth is dropped, get it rinsed off, you get all that dirt off again to continue. Okay, vehicle gets dried off. While it's getting dried off, they're doing the interior vacuum and wipe down the interior, clean out the vents and all the gaps. One important thing to have, air gun. Get especially in gaps like this. This is where all our products are. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, and when the vehicle's done, client pays and they're off. Everything is nice and clean, and we accept cash as well as Yoko card payments. That's Juma, our main guy. Okay guys, so we got some new products, and we're going to do unboxing. Okay, first thing is microfiber clay cloth Turtle Wax Pro. So all these products are from Turtle Wax. What else do we get? Hybrid solution, graphene, ceramic graphene inside job. So this is clean, neutralizes enzymes, safely remove tough stains, encapsulate odors and leave behind a fresh scent. Protect ceramic and graphene infused, adds clarity to surface and reduces dust attraction while leaving behind superior UV protection. Okay, got 2 of those. Then the usual seal and shine. This is our good old faithful. This is basically like a quick detailer. So read some of the details for you guys. Sealant wax instantly locks in shine and superior repellency. Premium Canuba wax creates a deep and glossy shine. Synthetic infused sealant blended with unique polymers and UV blockers. Extremely durable. Delivers ridiculous water beading and chemical resistant protection for up to 6 months. That's good. get so used to the products, we actually forget the full benefits. So ceramic hybrid solution, ceramic 3-in-1 detailer, safe waterless cleaning that intensifies shine and adds ceramic wax protection. So this is after you wash your vehicle, you spray the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer and you get a Hydroglide waterless wash polymers, scratch-free cleaning for all surfaces. Synthetic wax polymers increases depth of color, gloss and shine, and then the same boost water beading, super hydrophobic. This is very good for that hydrophobic finish and also gives that protection to the paint. Lux leather cleaner and conditioner. So they've got these new inside jobs and these are like another interior leather cleaner, but I find that the Lux leather cleaner and conditioner, this is more of a thicker paste and really gives a depth and like suppleness to the leather. And I think I have, no, okay, we don't have it here, but yeah, this in addition to the interior cleaner, finishing it off with this gives it a nice supple finish. Then there's some new turtle wax color shift. This is the wheel cleaner, color changing cleaner, removes grime, dirt and brake dust. So turtle wax wheel cleaner, they usually all have the color shift where it goes to purple once the the dirt and the grime oxidizes or reacts with the product, and gives that nice purple look, which is very satisfying for your time lapses. And they've previously had these kind of wheel cleaner, but they obviously rebranded now to be called Color Shift. So this is something I bought for us to give us a try. Ceramic spray coating. So part of the whole ceramic range, the spray coating is basically easier to use ceramic coating. So the 3-in-1 ceramic detailer you would use after you've applied the ceramic spray coating, and then you basically maintain it with the ceramic detailer. But the spray coating, spray on a clean dry car for incredible shine and protection, easy on, easy off, indirect sunlight, amazing results on paint, metal, plastic and glass in minutes. So you can do your entire car with this. And this synthetic wax polymers increases depth of color, gloss and shine. And then super hydrophobic again, unique blend delivers insane water beading and chemical protection, resistant protection for up to 12 months. So if you use this, you get 12 months protection on the paint. Then on top of that, if you maintaining it with the ceramic detailer, you'll get probably more than 12 months of protection on your paint. So this is a very underrated product. Most of the other tire gels are like bigger in size. They're usually around this size or bigger bottle, and this is more of a gel based product and it spreads a lot easier, so compared to something that has more of like a cream based. So with this small wet and black product, there's actually a lot more coverage that you get per ounce of liquid, and even though the bottle is small, it's quite deceiving. And I always have to upsell and tell the people that even though this is a little bit more, even though the bottle's smaller, you actually enjoy using this product more because it's easier to carry around in your car. And when you're applying it, if your sponge is already saturated with this product, you don't have to use that much to extend it even further. So very good value for money. Okay, then we just got some microfibers, already sold one. And then it's another new product, tar and glue remover. Or maybe it's not new, I think this is not the new one. But I have, on the E46, I've got some tar that's under the front wheel well, under the right driver side skirt, and I want to give this a go because I've never used it before and be able to advise clients on it. Then snow foam. This is good for your let's see, high foam, thick cling, and or cannon, and clean or rinse. So pH balanced OCH Extras Commander and concentrate. So this is a concentrate, so you can run, let's see what the dilution ratio is. We normally do 1 to 10. Yeah, so add 100 ml, 100 to 200 ml of product for every 1 liter in the foam solution. So yeah, 1 to 10. And then, yeah, pretty straightforward. Shampoo, pH neutral. This is good for if your car has been detailed and you don't want to strip the car of any of the waxes on there. Okay, the customer here. How's it? You alright? Nah, it's chilled. I want to. You alright?
Yeah,
You can do alright, man. You want a full wash or?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You can pull over there so long. There's that polo after this one, and then you're in. Okay, guys. So that wraps it for the unboxing of our Turtle Wax products. If you're interested in any of this, you can message me, and we can arrange your purchase. Usually on Sundays, people have a little bit of free time, and it's the time to spend some quality time with your car. And so you get the car washed at Capestance Plumstead, take the car home, and then you do the wax yourself. Once the wax is done, then seal it with a ceramic spray, and then you know your car's fresh and shining for the weekend. And for your Sunday drive. So my car is ready, and I'm gonna head home and do some ceramic spray coating on the car and make sure it's ready for a nice Sunday drive. Oof. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that little vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.